My name is Terry White and welcome to Photo Tip Friday. So let's start with Lightroom. I've got an image open here with a person wearing glasses. And of course, if you're photographing someone and you got the lights on, you're gonna get some of that white glare in the glasses themselves. So here's a tip that I just discovered by accident, that if you go into your adjustment brush and you use the Dehaze preset, so there are different presets for the adjustment brush. I'm gonna switch to Dehaze. And of course, that'll zero everything else out, give me a slider for Dehaze, and then what you can do is just right under the eye, right where that white glare is, you can come in and just dehaze that right out of the photo. Now don't go too far, because then you're gonna go ahead and create dark spots under the eyes. But you can adjust how much white or how little white will be there with a person wearing glasses and you photograph them with strobes or white lights. So for more tips like these, check out my new classes on KelbyOne.com.